Now here is how we can delete bulk photos on the iPhone. Let me talk about it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So we at first have to open up the Photos app. So the Photos app is where all of the images are stored, right? So you can go to your library and see all of the images as usual. And in order to delete bulk photos, we need to utilize the select feature. So in at the top right, we have the select button. So I need to tap on it like this, and I can either manually tap on every image I want to select and delete, or I can also use the selected gesture where I just drag it over like that and it just selects all of the images which I want, right? And once I have this selected, I have to make sure that all of those images are indeed selected and indicated with the blue icon. Now I have the delete button in at the bottom right corner. So when I click on delete like this, it asks me to confirm it, and it also telling me that I'm deleting this many amount of photos. So I'm deleting 15 items at this moment. So if I'm okay with it, I can click on it like this, and those are now deleted from my device. Well, not entirely just yet, because if I move over to the collections, I can scroll through the available things and I can see the recently deleted folder, right? So if I go to the recently deleted, I can view the album and scan my face, or if it doesn't work, I can also use the passcode alternatively. And if I get inside, you can see those images are still in here and they are going to be part of this folder for 30 days. So if I want to make sure that they are fully gone and deleted permanently, I have to click on select and essentially tap the three dots and delete all. Confirm it again, and now these photos are permanently deleted from my device in bulk, exactly as we wanted. So let me know if that was the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.